Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a secluded beach. You pull back the curtains of your bedroom, and golden sunlight floods in, illuminating your home away from home. Now, picture driving down endless highways, chasing sunsets, with all the comforts of luxury living right behind you. This isn't just a dream anymore. This is the reality of owning the brand new 2026 Airstream travel trailer. And if you're shopping for your dream RV, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our in-depth tours of the best travel trailers on the market. Trust me, when you see what's inside this beauty, you're going to be absolutely speechless. Let's go. The first thing that hits you when you approach the 2026 Airstream is its unmistakable presence. That iconic aluminum shell gleaming in the sunlight isn't just beautiful, it's a statement. This is a vehicle that turns heads everywhere it goes. The designers have refined the classic Airstream silhouette, while adding modern aerodynamic touches that make it even more efficient on the highway. Every rivet, every curve, every line has been carefully crafted to blend timeless elegance with cutting-edge engineering. The build quality is immediately apparent. This isn't some cheaply made trailer that'll fall apart after a few trips. This is aluminum aircraft-grade construction that's built to last decades, not just years. Let's talk dimensions. The 2026 Airstream comes in multiple floor plans, but the model we're showcasing today is the 27-foot beauty that offers the perfect balance between spaciousness and maneuverability. It's large enough to feel like a real home, but compact enough that you won't be stressed driving it through mountain passes or pulling into campgrounds. And speaking of highways, you'll notice the LED lighting system that wraps around the entire exterior. These aren't just for looks. They provide incredible visibility at night, making setup after dark a breeze, and they give the Airstream a modern, sophisticated glow that catches everyone's eye. Now let's walk around to the storage compartments, because this is where Airstream really shows its genius. Open up these exterior bays, and you'll find pass-through storage that's absolutely cavernous. We're talking enough space for camping chairs, bicycles, outdoor gear, fishing equipment, whatever adventure you're planning, there's room for it. The compartments are weather-sealed with heavy-duty latches that lock securely, keeping your valuables safe and dry, no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. And check out this power awning. With just the push of a button, you've got 16 feet of shade extending out, creating an instant outdoor living room wherever you park. But here's where things get really exciting. Step inside and prepare to have your expectations completely shattered. The moment you open that door and climb those solid entry steps, you're not entering a travel trailer. You're entering a luxury apartment that just happens to have wheels. The interior design of the 2026 Airstream is nothing short of breathtaking. Look at this living area. The color palette is sophisticated and calming with soft, neutral tones, warm wood accents, and premium upholstery that feels like it belongs in a high-end furniture showroom, not an RV. The dinette seating is spacious and comfortable, easily accommodating 4 adults for meals or game nights. But what really transforms this space is the panoramic windows. Floor-to-ceiling glass surrounds you, bringing the outside in and flooding the interior with natural light. Whether you're parked overlooking a lake, nestled in a forest, or watching a desert sunset, you've got front-row seats. The entertainment center features a smart TV with premium sound system integration, perfect for movie nights when the weather turns. And underneath your feet, you'll notice luxury vinyl plank flooring that looks like real hardwood, but is completely waterproof and incredibly durable. The climate control system is whisper quiet, with both heating and air conditioning that can maintain perfect comfort in any season. Now let's move into the kitchen, because this is where the 2026 Airstream truly elevates mobile living to residential standards. The refrigerator is a full-size residential-style model, not some tiny RV fridge. We're talking about 12 cubic feet of storage space with a separate freezer. Enough capacity to stock up for a week-long adventure without constantly running to the store. The 3-burner gas stove with electronic ignition makes cooking a pleasure, and there's even an oven for baking. The stainless steel sink features a high-arc faucet with pull-down spray, just like you'd have in your home kitchen. Counter space is generous, with solid surface countertops that are both beautiful and practical, giving you plenty of room for meal prep. Storage is abundant with soft close cabinets and drawers that are thoughtfully organized with pull-out shelves and dividers. There's a built-in microwave, a dedicated space for a coffee maker, and under-cabinet LED lighting that illuminates your workspace perfectly. This kitchen isn't a compromise. It's a genuine cooking environment where you can prepare real meals for your family. The bathroom is next, and this is where most travel trailers fail miserably. Not the Airstream. Step into this bathroom and you'll think you're in a boutique hotel. The shower is spacious with a real glass door, not a flimsy curtain, and the water pressure is surprisingly strong, thanks to the efficient plumbing system. There's a porcelain foot-flush toilet that's comfortable and easy to maintain, with plenty of knee room. The vanity features a large sink with ample counter space for toiletries, and the mirror is backlit with LED lighting that's perfect for getting ready in the morning. Storage includes cabinets above and below the sink, plus a medicine cabinet that's recessed into the wall. There's even a powered vent fan with a skylight that brings in natural light and keeps air circulation fresh. This bathroom doesn't feel like a cramped RV facility. It feels like a proper residential bathroom that respects your need for comfort and privacy. And now, the master bedroom. This is your sanctuary on wheels. The queen-size bed features a premium mattress that rivals what you have at home, complete with luxury bedding and plush pillows. Adjustable reading lights are mounted on both sides of the bed, perfect for winding down with a book before sleep. Storage is everywhere. There are wardrobes with hanging space for clothes, overhead cabinets for linens, and underbed storage that's accessible from the exterior. Large windows with blackout roller shades let you control your environment perfectly. Want to wake up with the sunrise? Leave them open. Need to sleep in after a late night stargazing? Close them completely. The bedroom has its own climate control zone, so you can set your perfect sleeping temperature independent of the rest of the trailer. There's even USB charging ports built into the bedside area, keeping your devices powered without cluttering your space with adapters. So what makes the 2026 Airstream stand out from every other travel trailer on the market? Let me break down 4 key advantages. First, the build quality is unmatched. That aluminum construction isn't just iconic, it's functionally superior. It won't rot, it won't delaminate, and it holds its value better than any other trailer brand. Second, the layout design is intelligently planned. Every inch of space is utilized without feeling cramped. The flow from living area to kitchen to bedroom is natural and intuitive. Third, storage capacity is exceptional. Between interior cabinets, exterior bays, and clever hidden compartments, you can bring everything you need for extended travel without feeling cluttered. And fourth, the driving experience is smooth and stable. The aerodynamic design and quality construction mean this trailer tracks beautifully on the highway, even in crosswinds, making long drives less stressful and more enjoyable. Now I want to hear from you. What feature of the 2026 Airstream impressed you the most? Was it that stunning interior design, the residential quality kitchen, the spacious bathroom that doesn't feel like a compromise? Or maybe it's the massive storage capacity that means you can truly live on the road? Drop a comment below and let me know what caught your eye. And if you've owned an Airstream before, share your experiences with the community. We'd love to hear your stories. Here's the thing about the 2026 Airstream. This isn't just a travel trailer. It's not just a way to get from campground to campground. This is a lifestyle choice. This is about freedom. The freedom to wake up in a new place every morning. The freedom to chase adventure on your own terms. The freedom to bring the comforts of home to the most beautiful places on earth. Whether you're retired and ready to explore the country full-time, or you're a weekend warrior who wants to escape the city whenever possible, the Airstream makes it possible without sacrificing comfort or quality. Life is short. The open road is calling. And with a 2026 Airstream, you're ready to answer. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more luxury RV reviews, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling far. Adventure awaits.